Okay, we have another Love Diana doll mini mystery figure. And every single one of these I've opened has not been, like, on the images on the back. And it doesn't tell me how many there is from what I can see that there is to collect. And there's, like, no collector's guide. Is this one on the back? Nope. I'm so confused. Also, why did their heads come off? They're supposed to be able to change their hairstyle and facial features or something between the outfits. I don't know. I'd like it if I could separate the clothes then. This one's got a lot of paint defects in the back. I don't know. They're interesting.